Manufactured with multiple alloys for improved heat dissipation and performance. Mill balanced for proper rotor function. No extra weights are needed. Quality validated for proper metallurgy and correct brake plate thickness. Rounded radius for added strength. Some ACDelco Silver parts may have formerly appeared as ACDelco Advantage. Economical value with dependable quality. For General Motors vehicles as well as most makes and models. Top reviews from the United States. Bought 2. One's great, the other was the wrong part. I live the one that's right, they didn't match. The other one was just the wrong part. And then they wouldn't exchange it for the right part. They would only refund. And I was out of time.